Hi, now I'm going to show you how to use Vlookup to find respective class and respective marks of a particular student. This is a sample for usage of Vlookup. I already posted a video on Vlookup. This will help you more clarity on that Vlookup example. Okay. Now I will show you how to do Vlookup to find respective class and respective marks. Okay, student class marks. Okay, now what I am going to do is I just put a student name here, so once I put a student name here, it has to come up with the class and marks. This is my objective. My object is I'll type a name here, it will has to come with the class and marks. Okay, so how to do that? For that we are going to use a Vlookup function. Vlookup. Okay, in Vlookup, first argument is the lookup value. How to do that? What is the lookup value? Lookup value is the student name, which is E2 cell value. Okay, come on. Okay, this is the lookup value. Where you are going to look up? I'm going to look up in the whole set of the array. Okay, fine, which contains student name, class and marks. Okay, what is the value you want to return? The respective column value you want to return back. Okay, once the aliens found is this array, I want to return back the respective class value, which is the second column. Okay, you want to look up approximate match or exact match? I want a exact match. Close the bracket, enter. You see the class come up with 3A. Similarly, I'm going to find marks. We look up. What is the lookup value? Student name, table array. Okay, what is the table you are going to look up? Student, class and marks without the header. Okay, this is the range of values I am looking up. Okay, what is the column you want to return back? I want to return back the column respective value of the name, that is the marks of that particular student. That means the third column value, which is in the third column. Marks is in the third column. Do you want to use approximate match or exact match? I am using exact match. Close. Okay, this is the worksheet. Okay, this is the formula set. Okay, now you see Alan, class 3 and marks 90. Now I change the name to Alan to Helen or John. You see automatically it changed to class 3B and marks 78. Okay, this is the way you can use Vlookup to find a respective class and marks of the student. This is a good example. You can use this example for other types of finding. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. See you on next video.